train. Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand. Yes, I'm talking about the friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. Now it don't matter what you look like, people, or who you are.
If your heart is in the right place, talking about the right place, you're welcome aboard.
This train stands for justice, justice. This train stands for freedom, freedom. This train stands for harmony and peace. This train stands for love, love. Come on and get on it. Friendship train.
Everybody shake a hand, shake a hand.
And I'm talking about a friendship train. Get on board and shake a hand, make a friend. People, let me tell you that harmony is the key for sisters and brothers. Oh yeah, yeah. Harmony is the key for sisters and brothers. Come on, people, now. Smile on your brother.